Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial where we will discuss how we can generate random numbers in JavaScript. If you're into game development or any field that involves randomness, this video is a must-watch. First, let's create a variable x and set it equal to math.random. To see the results in action, use the console. Every time we save the document, a fresh random number will appear, ranging from 0 to 1. Remember, all these numbers are greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1. Now, if you're looking to generate random numbers within a specific range, like between 0 and 15, just multiply math.random by 15. Absolutely. Each time you run it, you'll get a different whole number ranging from 0 to 14. Keep in mind that while 0 is included, 15 is not part of the possibilities. However, if you prefer to eliminate those decimal parts and get a clean integer between 0 and 14, simply wrap math random in brackets and slap math floor at the beginning. Problem solved. Now, it will display whole numbers ranging from 0 to 14, 0 is included, but 15 is not. But what if you want to start your random number sequence from 1 instead of 0? No problem at all. Just add a simple +1 at the end, and voila, you'll be generating random integers from 1 to 15 like a pro. Now, let's do the same magic with a button. When I click the button, it'll generate a random number. First, in the HTML document, we need a label with the ID MyLabel and a line break for some formatting. Then, add a button with the type set to button. And give it the ID MyButton. You can customize the button text as you like. Now, back in your JavaScript file, remove all the code, just keep the X variable. Use document.getElementById to target the button by its ID, MyButton. Set its onClick attribute equal to a function. This way, when you click the button, the JavaScript function will work its magic. Now, let's paste the same code we used earlier right here. We'll select the label element using document.getElementById, with MyLabel in parentheses. Then, we'll change its inner HTML equal to X. So, when you hit this button, it will alter the HTML content of the label element. That's the secret to generating random numbers in JavaScript. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.